Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the data cleaning and preparation of the metadata. So first step for metadata is that to retain the file, our metadata file with the following details. That is assembly, collection date, location, isolation type, isolation source, and host. So this is the metadata file that we have. So first we have to edit the collection date. What you have to do is first you copy the collection date file, the column, to a new sheet where you can name that sheet as year. Okay, once you paste it here, so in the manual, if you can see, what it says is that next select the entire column and click on the data from toolbar. Select the text to columns option. The dialog box will pop up where give the options as shown below. So you have to select the collection date column, go to the date. Okay. In data, you have to select the text to columns, and here the delimited, then give next. Here you have to select the other, you have to mention the hyphen here. Okay, and then give next, and here also finish. Now you can see that your data will be split into 3 columns, and in the third column you will have the years. So copy this heading to the third column. So this is the column that we have to focus. But in some of the data, there might be only mentioned a year or only the year and month. So that you have to manually edit that. So wherever the year is not been shifted, you have to select it and paste it manually. So while editing, careful that you're not missing the rows. All right. And then you can see that for some of the year data, there is no mention of the year. So for those, you have to give unknown. So wherever you find the blank rows, you just type unknown there. Just give save. So now our year has been edited. Then the next step is edit the location based on the continents: Asia, North America, South America, Europe, and Africa, and also the Oceania. So additionally, we'll also share a file where we have a list of countries and how it has been grouped into these areas. Especially when it comes to Russia, the Russia is, though it is a pan-continental country, it's been listed under Europe. So when you're editing, you should group the Russia under Europe. So again, go back to the main sheet, select your location column and paste it to the new sheet. Then select. So what you have to do is you have to use the filter option. So here, select the entire column, click on filter, and this, when the filter option comes here, at a time you have to select the countries that belong to one continent. So first I'll go with Asia. So Bangladesh, China, India, Japan, then Singapore. Okay, these are the countries in Asia. Just give OK. So only those countries will select. Here you type Asia and just replace the countries with Asia. Again, go back and again select the countries with which belong to Oceania, that is Australia and New Zealand. Click here, give Oceania and replace them. Similarly, we could do for Europe. Then North America. again for Africa, and again South America. Then select all view, so you can see that the all countries will be changed to the continents, and wherever if you find the blank or not determined, just change it to unknown or unknown. Suppose if there is no country mentioned, there will be a blank. So in the blank again you have to type unknown. Just give save, and then we'll move on to the next editing, that is to change the location, change the isolation source to clinical, is from human, or it is from animal, plant, environmental, or source unknown. So again, go back to the main sheet and select the 3 columns which will have the data on isolation type, host, and isolation source. So copy the file to the new sheet. Here, the column that we have to retain is about isolation type, but for all the data, the isolation type has not given, but we can group the isolation type based on the information that is available in host column or isolation source. So first one, it is hospital sewage. So this is a environmental source, environmental isolate type. Again here, water sample, it is the environmental. Then canis lupus, it is a dog. So this is the animal isolation type. Here it is soil, is a environmental. Here there is no data given. So this is source unknown. Then Oryza sativa is a plant, it's a rice plant. So this is a plant source. Again, canis, it is animal source. Sugarcane is a plant. Then this is from panda. So this is a animal source. Then again, canis, this is animal. Then Bos taurus is a animal. Water sample, it is environmental. In here, Homo sapiens, this will be clinical, animal. Then here the no information is available, so this will be source unknown, again plant, this is clinical, this is animal, clinical, and clinical. So now we have the data ready. So again, see, now you have to replace these columns into the new ones. Just insert a column, and here you place the collection date. Now you have everything in a single format, and delete this previous column. Again, insert a new column and insert the edited column here, and delete the previous one. Here again, insert a new column and insert the edited column to the main sheet, and you can delete the other columns. Now save it, and now you have to, the final stage here is to sort the data. So you have to select the assembly, and in the data option we have sort. So here you have to sort it A to Z and give expand the selection sort. Now the data will arrange based on the numbers, and just save it.